What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Btwilla's Garage. So you may have seen my beginner oil change video. If you watched all 19 minutes of that, then you already know how to do this job. So I figured I'd put together an expert recap for those of you that have done the job, just to remind you of what the sizes are for the bolts, what the oil quantity is, how to reset the maintenance reminder, so that way you don't have to stop and pause the last video I made. So let's do this real quick, and I hope you enjoy it. Leave me a like if you do. I'll put a link to the beginner's guide if you need a little slower version of a video. Welcome to the channel. So for resetting the maintenance reminder, I did want to speak for just a moment. Let's turn our car to accessory mode here. We're going to come up and get it to A, trip A. And then if I can hold the camera while pressing that at the same time, pretty much what we want to do is turn the car off. I'm going to put the camera down. I'm going to be holding this A, and then I'll get you right back up. One sec. So I'm holding the A. I'm turning the truck on. And here's what's happening. It's saying resetting maintenance data. There you go. Maintenance data reset. All right, so that's when you let go of the A, turn the truck off, and your job is done. Thanks a lot for checking out my video, everybody. I enjoy doing these on the weekends, and your likes, comments, and just overall views keep me going. So thanks. Enjoy the day.